Hey guys, this is Chris, and today we're going to do a quick little video. This is a pretty exciting one, just because this is going to give you some range. And I'm sorry, I always say quick little video, and they turn out to be like 20 minutes long. I apologize for that. I tend to give a little too much deep detail, maybe. I try to give you as much information as I can and explain things thoroughly, but perhaps it's a little bit too much and you guys are falling asleep watching the videos, so I do apologize for that. I'm trying my best here to give you good content and mainly be informative. That's my main key here, is to stay more on the technical side of how-tos and information when it comes to new models and new features and things. So let's move on, because I'm already starting to babble. This setup is pretty exciting to me. This year, Hubsan came out with this screen for the H122D Storm to be used in the goggles or to be used as just a separate FPV device. Thank you so much, Hubsan, for putting that out, because now, after putting out this transmitter that does not have 5.8, we've got a good package here to where we can get some range out of the H501A. You cannot use this with the M. I'll stress that. You can't use it with the M. The M is strictly Wi-Fi. That is the only flight control the M has, is Wi-Fi. It does not have 2.4 and it does not have the 5.8 to connect with this. So, with that being said, this package, normally you're going to use your app, and that's going to be your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi is, everybody knows, it's limited range. So with this is going to give you more of a range and a better experience. Everybody wants range, and this is how you're going to get it. With this setup, the transmitter is being advertised and sold as a 1,000-meter transmitter. No doubt you can do that if you use this display. So let's go ahead and just hook it up real quick. I've already previously bound the transmitter to the 501A, so it'll automatically bind. But if you have not bound the two, you simply hold down the bound key or bind key and press power and hold it until all the lights light up and the 2.4 flashes. Then you plug in the quad and it'll bind. The good thing is you don't have to have your controller real close to the 501A when you do a bind. So let's plug her in and let it do its thing. And we're already bound. It's already established that connection. So our 2.4 is solid. Now I could do the calibration now, or I could go ahead and connect the screen. We'll go ahead and connect the screen so we can see where it tells us to do the calibration. So you just turn that on. And you'll see that you just have that blank screen there. So you have this button here on the side, and it's on the labeling, it says CE. That's Charlie Edward, CE. You're going to press and hold that. Wait for the beeps and it should bind. There we go. So there you see it. You have all the information. You have your FPV, it's telling me to calibrate the compass. You have everything that you would normally have with your transmitter. It tells you your satellites, and it tells you your coordinates for the quad and your coordinates for the controller. So there you have it. And if you look at the stick control on the sides, we have control. So now we're going to calibrate. There you go. And you're ready to fly. Oh, I'm not connected to the app, so with the app I can set it to where it'll fly under 6, it'll start up and fly with under 6 satellites, but when I'm not using the app, I don't have that option to do that. So I need 6 or more satellites, and if you look down here, you'll see I have on my controller, I've met the 6 satellites because you've got a solid light. When it's flashing like this one is for the quad. I don't have 6 plus satellites for the quad. And the Wi-Fi, of course, is flashing because we're not connected on Wi-Fi. We're connected on 2.4. So it's not going to start right now. But that shows you right there, we're connected, and you have a package here that will give you the range that you want. And this right here, I think, will be the big selling point to have these. And as far as a package goes, I've already said something to Hubsan, and I'm gonna just say it on video so it's out there. Make this a package. This is a great package. You know, make it a range package or whatever you want to call it. Right now, currently, the 501A with this is being sold as a combination, and they're calling that the professional advanced package. And if they add this to the package, we can just call that like a long range package or FPV package or whatever you want to call it. But this would be great. As far as the M goes, if they would sell this controller with the M, and I'm gonna make that cry right now, please sell the H501M with this controller. That would be a huge selling point for you guys, Hubsan. Call it the advanced. So if you buy the 501M the way it is now, you could call that the standard package. And then if you buy the 501M and include the controller, call that the advanced package. I think more people will buy the 501M with this controller than they will without. That Bluetooth controller is nice, but it's nothing like this. This is a far better controller. It's much more responsive. The Bluetooth is a little delayed in response sometimes. It's not so, it's just not, it doesn't react as well, which is a Bluetooth setting. I mean, that's what it is. It's what's going to do. Or Bluetooth connection, I'm sorry. But yeah, Hubsan, please just change the packages. Give us some more packages here. Sell the 501M with just this and this, or the 501A, sell all 3 together, or just this and this as well. Give us multiple packages. That would be great. The only people that have this display screen are the ones that have the H122 Storm. I don't know if Hubsan's selling this separately. I haven't really paid much attention to the website, but if you can get this separately, I highly recommend this display. It's not huge, but it's a good size. The clarity is really nice, and I don't think it would be too much. The combination of the transmitter and the H501A, it's, I think, going to be $219, and then you can buy the transmitter by itself. For those of you who already own the A or own an M, you can get the transmitter by itself for $54. None of this, of course, is available yet. They need to stock up the stores. They are putting the first batch through production right now, and I'm told by the end of the month the first batch will be out, and I don't know which dealers are going to get them first. Banggood usually is one of the top dealers that gets them first. So that's one to look out for to get this. But it is currently on the Hubsan website, and I did talk to them about selling this separate. They originally were not going to, but now they are, and they're going to sell this one separate. So that should be listed soon on the website by itself. All right, so that's it. That's how you connect these two together. And just to show you, I'll show you the 501A see, I'm turning this into a long video. I'll show you that the 501A or M does not connect to the screen. Okay, so it's on. I'll go ahead and just connect with the app. Okay, we're connected. It says we're connected. Let's see if it automatically... Wi-Fi. We'll make this faster. Let's go to the 501M. We're going to enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. Okay, we're connected to the Wi-Fi of the quad. And now we're in the app. What am I doing? Okay, now we're going to bind. Skip. Okay, so we are connected. We have our FBV here. So now let's turn this on. And press the button. Nothing. Okay, just to show you, we don't have it. All right, so you cannot connect this to the M. But using this relay, you will get extended range on that, and I think the M will be much more enjoyable. All right, so that's it. That's how to connect the H501A to the new Ht011A and the newer HS00 now I forgot, HS003 or 1, something like that, but whatever. I've already said it once and I know I got it right in the beginning of the video, so that's enough. All right, thanks again for subscribing, and those of you who do not subscribe, please subscribe. Like I've said in the past, the goal here is to bring you new content, new models, any problems found with the quads that we have a resolution to, try to bring those to you in videos in the future. All right, I'm out. Thanks.